Hare Krishna everyone. We do so many things in our life in our quest for happiness, but we never get that permanent happiness or complete satisfaction in any task. Do you want to know the source where you can find the permanent happiness and bliss? To facilitate you in this quest for happiness, ISKCON Mangalore Sri Sri Radha Govind Temple has initiated a course called Understand Gita in 18 Days, which commences on the 14th of November 2022. We have successfully completed 29 batches. We have satisfied more than 7.5 lakh spiritual seekers in their quest for happiness, and the classes are scheduled in various timings and various languages. Even if you are a kid, we have separated classes for you and youth as well. So quickly get yourself registered by clicking on the link t.ly/Gita. Hare Krishna everyone.